CAM's Rhinestone System. Process Overview. The CAM's Rhinestone machine is used to convert customer designs into custom rhinestone designs. The operator pulls the customer design up on the computer. It's then sent to the CAM's Rhinestone machine, where rhinestones are set quickly, one by one, into the custom pattern. Custom rhinestone designs are then sealed between two pieces of film for later application. The garment and design then move to the film area for heat pressing onto the garment. Intro to equipment. The CAM's Rhinestone machine is used to apply rhinestone letters and designs to adhesive backing paper, which will later be heat pressed onto an item. The primary parts and controls related to the production operation are on-off switch, air on-off valve, emergency stop button, menu screen, LED operation panel, menu operation buttons, menu cursor arrows, the XY plate, rhinestone feeders, the setter swing module and gun, and feeder locking knobs. The computer system is used to send customer designs to the CAM's Rhinestone machine. It also aids in adjusting designs as necessary for better quality. The primary parts and controls related to the production operation are computer, monitor, keyboard, the Corel software program, and the GemMaster software program. The air compressor is used to supply the CAM's Rhinestone machine with air pressure to operate the stone setter gun. The primary parts and controls related to the production operation are on-off switch and the air supply line. Pre-operation equipment startup. Verify that the air on-off valve is in the off or vertical position. Verify that the setter gun is in the down position and manually rotate it down if necessary. Turn the CAM's machine on. Turn the air compressor on and then wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, rotate the air on-off valve so that it's positioned in line with the connection. This is the open position. Turn the computer and monitor on. Open the CorelDRAW software program, then open the GemMaster software program. Production operation. Orders to be produced will be in plastic bins. Each bin will contain the garments to be produced along with the customer order form. Clear bins contain regular orders. Red or gray bins contain rush orders and should be given priority. The customer order ID number will be in the upper left corner of the order form. Any special instructions required will be just below the order ID number. Read the special instructions, if any were given. Verify that the sizes, style, and color of the actual shirts in the bin match those listed on the customer order form. On the CAM's machine, go to the menu operation buttons and use the tab button to select Load on the menu screen, and then press Set. Select Serial from the Load menu screen and then press Set. File Download appears on the menu screen, and the CAM's unit is now ready to receive designs from the computer. Use the computer to open the design and send it on to the production equipment. On the CAM's machine, open the doors. Separate a piece of yellow sticky paper and place it, sticky side up, onto the XY plate. After placing the paper on the XY plate, use a flat plastic application tool to smooth out any wrinkles or air bubbles by rubbing the edge of the tool across the paper. Close the doors. The menu screen will say Load. Push the Set button once and then push the Tab button. Push the Set button once again and the machine will begin to run and set the design onto the adhesive paper. To pause the machine for any reason, push the Set button. To restart, push the Set button once again. When the machine stops, open the doors and carefully remove the design. Do not allow it to fold. Check the design closely to make sure that each letter looks correct and is completely filled in with no missing or flipped stones. Replace the backer paper, forming a sandwich with the design in the center. Write the customer order number and shipping date on the back of the yellow sheet. If the order contains rhinestone only items and nothing else, place the rhinestone design along with the customer order form back into the bin along with the garment, and place the bin on the rack for heat pressing. If the order is rhinestones plus other items, place the rhinestone design in the holding box and put the rest of the order into its bin. Place the bin on the rack for production.